Who here do you guys think I should try? You think? Alright, you guys, we're just gonna try riding right up it. Okay, climb into the back and climb into your seats. Here you go, big guy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go. Hey, buenos dias. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a quick garage update today. As you can see, we don't have very many bikes in the garage at all. So what happened to all the motorcycles? What the heck is the deal? We're going to talk a little bit about that. The Dyna is out of the commission currently. But this one is here to stay. The Grammy Gram, of course, we still have. The FZ07, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. The battery's dead, and it's just been sitting there parked. Like, I gotta decide if I wanna keep it or if I'm gonna get rid of it. And then the DRZ, you're probably wondering what the heck happened to the DRZ. We're gonna go pick up the DRZ right now, and I'll go into that. Alright, you guys, this looks like a pretty nice motorcycle. I don't see anybody around, so this might be a good one to steal. Let me take a look and see if the key's hidden anywhere. Oh, beautiful, dude. There just happens to be a key right here. Hopefully it starts up. I better get out of here before anybody comes out. Woo! I like this motorcycle. I think this is a good one to steal. Hey, what's up, you guys? All right, I'm totally screwing around, obviously. So, some of you may have noticed I didn't have the DRZ the last couple weeks. And what happened is I was out riding about a month ago or so. I was out riding. The bike was running really sketch. It just was not running good at all. So I came home, figured the carbs needed cleaned out, you know, needed some attention. Came home, went inside, and after like 30 minutes, my wife comes in. She's like, dude, it smells like gas. What is going on? I walk out in the garage, and there's just a puddle of gas sitting under the motorcycle. Anyway, apparently the fuel switch failed, which I think is somewhat common on these, or so I'm told. And yeah, so it's leaking gas all over the place. Long story short, yeah, I know I'm gonna get some criticism because some people are gonna be like, dude, you should have done the work yourself, man. I can't believe you, John, you lazy bum, no good for nothing fool. But I have a good buddy here who sometimes I'll have him help me out. He used to work at a dealership. He knows what he's doing. And so I dropped the bike off. I was like, dude, this thing is running like crap. It needs a tune-up, and oh, by the way, it's leaking gas all over the place. He gave it a good once over, got everything switched out, and for me it was just, a lot of it comes down to time, and yeah, time. Feels good to have the DRZ back though, I can tell you that much. I missed it. I realized how much I love that motorcycle after not having it for a little while. Who here do you guys think I should try? I could probably ride up just like so. You think? Alright, you guys, we're just gonna try riding right up it. It's a little sketch because this one is. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that was sketch. That was sketch. I would not recommend that, you guys. I got whoopsie there. Anyway, yeah, I missed the DRZ. So there's the update on the DRZ. Dropped it off. Got a nice little tune up here. Have my buddy give it the once over for me. And I was using this, getting into the drift game in the dirt. So I want to start drifting this thing. And unfortunately, the Dyna's out of commission right now as a result of those estupideces of my stupid decision there. But I've got some parts ordered, so we're gonna have some good Dyna upgrades coming very soon. Mostly just bolt-ons. Alright, gotta pay my buddy. But yeah, there it is, the DRZ. That's what happened to it. It's leaking gas all over the place. Dropped it off my buddy. He got it all tuned up, and I'm glad to have the DRZ back in my possession. So let's go ahead and unload it off the truck, take it for a quick spin. Well, there you have it, you guys. It feels good to have the bike back in the garage. This is, I think, the first time in a long time I'm down to just my own personal bikes. And I will note one more thing. My jump rope. I got into jump roping about 3 months ago for cardio. What a blast. What a blast. And wicked good cardio. Drop a comment below if you're into jump roping. Or jumping rope, rather. But yeah, there you have it, you guys. Update on the garage. The DRZ was out of commission for a little bit. The Dyna is currently out of commission. Just looking at it, you may not know why, but I'll drop a video very soon. It has to do with the drifting incident a few days back. Check out that video. The Honda Grom is good to go. That one's still my fun bike. And then the FC07, haven't ridden in a while. I need a new battery on it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I just don't know that I can necessarily justify. And yeah, so I don't know, maybe getting rid of the FC07, but this guy for the foreseeable future I'll be hanging on to. And then, like I said, video coming soon. I'll go over what happened to the Dyna and the plans with the Dyna as well. John's Moto Garage. Drop a like below if you dig the content. I appreciate it. You can subscribe as well. That is also much appreciated. Happy New Year to everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Nos vemos. Hasta Luigi.